Traders, hi, hello, and it is the first session back for me, trading the charts, and I just want to report that, it was not a spectacular trade, but I took a trade on SRAX, which was a breakout trade. So the previous high, it opened up at 328, and it tested 325 and then consolidated around 318 to 320. And I got in at 322. I was conservative. I went 325 and it sort of floated around 323, 322, and then it sort of shot up. I got lucky. I swear I saw 345. I was using Market Watch and I got filled at 340, which was a little lucky because it sort of dropped a little bit. So I ended 338, I ended at 342, I ended 345, and then I got filled at 340 in the end. And I just want to sort of go over, why I did that. Obviously, it was a bit of a, overextended chart as well. If we go to the daily, as you can see, so it spiked up early. There was news out as well, so there was a little bit of a catalyst. And in my watch list I put up earlier today, I talked about a dip buy off 250 odd, or a breakout play if it went through 260. No, it wasn't 250. It was 229 was the previous sort of support level, but obviously you didn't do that. So I sort of adapted. I responded to the catalyst here as well. On some platform. No, here it was. It wasn't that. There was something out on Seeking Alpha. What was this? What was this? Anyway, we'll go back to the chart. But yeah, so this got me intrigued, obviously, because that's quite a bullish sign there. And it spiked up. I obviously adapted. I'm finding that's probably the way to go. And I just sort of consolidate. And if I get the minute, I don't really want to get the minute chart. We'll get the 30-second chart up. And let's try and work this out. It was sort of like here. It sort of consolidated nicely, broke out, and that's what it was. So it wasn't, like a huge gainer, like 5.4% or so, 5.42. Again, not a spectacular trade. A sizable enough position at 400 shares. I wanted 500, but 400 only got filled, and then I sort of let that go. No other plays tonight, guys, and I also want to touch upon my journal now. So, okay, I'm just going to keep it in order of trades now from now on. I sort of had this mixed in with buys only, and then a break even, then losers, then winners only. So it was a buy trade. That's the ticker name. I'm giving it a 4 because I waited. I was pretty disciplined. I didn't get in straight away when there was a lot of interest, because mainly I was expecting it to go up quickly and then fall back down. And it was quite choppy, so I waited a little bit. I got in, it was actually closer to, about half an hour or so into the session. Exit was 4 out of 5. So these are out of 5. Exit was 4 out of 5. I could see it sort of tested and volume fade a little bit. In the back of my mind, I'm thinking this is an overextended thing. It's been very active pre-market. A lot of people are taking profits over the weekend when they held from the Friday, to the Monday open. So that was in the back of my mind. So that's why I sort of took profits, and it ended up just being lucky that it was, pretty much the top. Other than that, guys, I want to go over sort of what my thoughts were on the trade. So that's another section here. So this was a breakout trade that retested the high of day. That's when I got in. It wasn't quite the high of day, but it consolidated near it. I waited for consolidate. The netted. I'm going to also write and splitting trade, Control V, and $68. And this one was a losing one. Okay. Well, guys, that is the video, and I hope everyone had a good session and is having a good session, guys. Enjoy the volatility. Happy trading. Bye for now.